what's up, y'all? It's me, your girl, annoying as DiDi. And today we are going fishing in Cedar Key. No, we are not. Yes, we are. Oh, I'm sweating. So right now we got the whole pier to ourselves, which is really, really exciting. Super happy. Wait a second, we got you. In a second. Alright, so now we got a string on the line right quick and put the bait on the hook.
Just let me explain so she can stop. Back home, but we don't type it.
Here, stand right here.
Alright, y'all, so some of our lines are casted.
Hi.
See you.
Our sisters are so photogenic.
They got their bowls sitting, we just waiting. This has made me realize that we are not really equipped to sit here and JJ, something got your line? Let's see. He almost had it. Stay still. Let me see. Something was eating your worm. Something was eating your worm. They took a little nibble. A little nibble. This worm was way bigger than that.
That was a crab.
They got something. They got something. Pull it. It's hard, Zay. Ooh, Zay got something.
He got a catfish. Oh my god. Oh, I am.
Can I touch it?
They got the first fish.
Boop it.
Can I touch it?
Alarm.
Hello, my boy.
Why is this line not going up?
Yeah, Zay.
Look how tangled it is right here.
It feels so slimy. Yeah, you can touch the fish.
Oh boy. These kids over here thinking we're gonna keep that fish as a pet. They got another thing coming. That thing gonna be fried, hot sauce and mustard with it. Maybe with some grits. Look at that. What you talking about? It's gonna be a pet. Nah, son. It's gonna get fried up, right in that pan. My son is striking gold right now. This is second fish. Let's see. Oh, now Daddy got it. Daddy took control. Let's see what's going on.
I don't have anything.
That's fine.
He don't got nothing.
He doesn't have anything.
Look at this one.
Mama.
Look at her.
What?
Look at her.
What happened?
She putting the bait on her hook. Let's see you, Yuri. You got it?
Yeah. But this just a string. Mama, this was spinning around. There.
You gotta hook it all the way through. Did it go through the other side?
Mama, why is it
Just
spinning
like that.
around?
Good job. Let me see you.
Why is it spinning
Very
around?
nice, babe. See, Donnie might have something.
Daddy, touch that thing. I think so. Do I pull really hard? It scared me when it pulled.
I don't know. But go. You gotta record both of us.
see what you got.
I got nothing.
Oh. What do I name him? Carl?
Alright, Zonnie got a fish.
We're gonna get hold on.
Yes.
Okay.
Alright, Zonnie.
Are you recording already?
Or did I?
Let's record.
It's invited.
What you got there, man?
I don't know, sir.
I'm just thinking another catfish. Come. What is it?
I got the fishing pole back. I think we should help her pull.
Pull the string.
Oh, this is very strong.
Very stop. I was just about to give up, too. There you go. My fish. Come this way. It's seaweed. Alright, y'all, so this is the catch of the day. We got 2 catfish. Gonna go ahead and take these bad boys on home and fry them up with some french fries. That's me.
I'm trying.
And
I'm in the sea.
no, you're not. And then we're gonna go home. Keep it up.